friends, this is Silva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see how to mirroring or how to clone or how to SSD to SSD upgrade or SATA hard disk to SSD upgrade for mirroring our Windows backup. Okay, Windows your how to migration or like okay now this is for 500 GB is there. How to increase 1 TB to disk. Okay, I have tool. I am given the description link. Go and download it. Create bootable media in your pen drive or any bootable sources there. Just create it in Rufus or Ventry like bootable media created. This is for now newly purchased 1 TB or 500 GB like M.2 SSD NVMe. What I am doing, only slot is only one is there in like laptop or desktop. So how to connect another M.2, use it to for this is a casing M.2 NVMe casing. Just connect or fix it and close this casing. After this is also connect to your USB. USB is there 3.0 and 2.0. You connect 3.0. You how to find this blue color connectivity is there. See this in black color top side and down side is there blue color. This 2.0. This down the second position is there. Second USB is 3.0. See this blue color. That's a black color. Black color is 2.0. This is 3.0. Okay, now what we do, just restart your computer, boot to bootable media. Okay, this is tool. Why this tool using this latest machines not detecting tools in the hard disk. Okay, latest machines, for example 10th 11th 12th 13th 14th generation processors or configurations, their machines in the Dell HP in the like computers or laptops not detecting internal hard drive. So we are using this tool. Okay, already tools is available, but any tool we can't use. Internal hard drives is not detected, so that reason we using this kind of procedure. Okay, I am given the ISO file. Just create in new pen drive, then just boot it. Bootable media, create and boot it in our laptop or desktops. In this latest machines only. Old machines you have another tool is there. Just go and just select source and destination, finish it. But same like this another issues, because hard drive is not detected. See this in internal 500 GB is not detected. So how to here take and come. Okay, go to this PC in manage disk management. One check it device manager disk drives. This is this is 3 disks is there. One is internal hard drive for NVMe, another one is USB, another one is bootable media. Okay, 3 is there. See this detected, but here label not showing. So right click and change drive letter and add it. That mean your hard drive not detected is not show this your hard disk detected, but you can't view. So I am that label created. Now it is showing in internal hard drive. See this C drive is your internal hard drive. I am source hard disk. Now we find it. This is tool option is there, utility tools. Go and select in this application more tools available. Go to select AOMEI backup. You now I am using that only. Okay, AOMEI backup. Just open it I am connected destination hard disk and already is there source hard disk. Okay, this is for console for AOME backupper. So many options is there. I am now what we do, cloud. Where is cloud? This is a cloud. Okay, so I am disk to disk required. So I am disk to disk selected. Select source hard disk. This is for internal hard drive. Okay, internal hard drive I am selected. Be careful, check and after select it source and find. Okay, then destination also you same. You have 1 TB, it is showing here 1 TB, so you can simply find a source and destination. See, this source is 0, destination is 1, disk name is 0, disk name is 1. Disk name is 0 is internal hard drive, disk name 1 is I am for the 1 TB or 512 GB SSD. Okay, wait is several minutes, it is processing going on. After what happened, this is everything disk to disk is mirroring or migration or imaging. Okay, cloning, so many words is there, ghosting. Okay, now it is completed. Just finish. Here wait several minutes or few minutes because this reloaded disks same copy mirroring like now this tab just everything close and restart. Now I am restart the tool for the mutable media. I am now hard drive is fixed internal for 1 TB, removed old one and inserted new one. See this, now working day by day. This kind of issues we are uploaded. Comment me any problem.